Hey guys, so I went to Walmart and they had the Oreo Muffins right here. They look really good. I'm excited to try them. And they weren't that much. I think it was like $3 or $4, but they were like, "Oh my." I was like, "What is this?" And then it looked really cute and they look yummy and cute. So I'm excited to try it and I will let you know what it tastes like. Alright, you guys, so I got my Oreo muffin. I opened it up. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It tastes pretty good. It tastes like basically like Oreo, not an Oreo cupcake, but it has like pretty much just an Oreo cupcake. This is really good though. Alright. I will see you guys next time, and you go to Walmart and try it because these are really good. Alright, bye.